Bought this rundown clam shack, which is where we are now. It had been closed for a few years, but I bought it because I needed the commercial docks. And then the restaurant got busy, and we continued to invest in it. A little bit of water. Phytoplankton isn't bad for the environment, but phytoplankton all day photosynthesize, and when the sun goes down, they can't photosynthesize, so they respirate. They take oxygen out of the water. You grab one if you'd like.
The shrimp? Cat.
How old are those?
These are the same age as the previous ones. These are 2 years old. Two oysters in the bag. The amount of water that's actually getting into that bag is really limited, and you can really see the new growth on here. It's pretty tremendous. So that's something that can break off, but I've been trying to grow bay scallops, and I've mostly just been killing them. But bay scallops are a lot more finicky than oysters. They don't overwinter as well.
Oh, what's he doing?
He's trying to swim.
It's like, howdy. Hello.
That's how they swim.
How you doing?
You can go to the grocery store and get bay scallops for 10, 15 bucks a pound that came from China. A few decades ago, a group of Chinese scientists came to the Milford Laboratory in Connecticut and went home with a few dozen of our species of bay scallop, Argopecten irradians, and they started growing them and grow them so efficiently that they sell them back to us for cheaper than we can produce them here for. So there is, they're just really good fish they're growing there. We're trying to grow them here, but this pond's a little bit more shallow than ideal for growing bay scallop. Slow, getting better food. Smaller ones are coming out in the beginning, bigger ones are coming out at the end.